Okay, so if you could see on the dash, these three lights just came on. It's the ABS, the emergency brake light, and the VSA / traction control. They're all coming on due to one code. I already plugged the computer in. It's 121-11. It's VSA Solenoid Malfunction or something like that, which can only be three things. It could be a faulty ABS control module, it could be a faulty connection, or it could just be that the software needs to be updated. I've already had the connections checked, and I got it diagnosed by another shop as well, so I can be 100% sure that I need to replace the ABS control module. So I already got it confirmed from the shop, so that's what we're gonna go ahead and do. By the way, they wanted to charge me $2,500 at the shop to get it repaired. That is a new ABS control module with labor. I was able to find a used one on eBay for about 180 bucks. Got it shipped to me, and then I'm just gonna install it myself. This is the first time I'm installing an ABS control module. Actually, it might be the second. All right, this is the used part that's going in. All right, once everything's disconnected, all the lines, it's time to move on to these bolts that's holding on the bracket. Let's see if I can. Okay. Yep, it's gonna be that one back there. That one. And then there should be one more right here. These are all 10mm bolts. No one's in here. Just need to reconnect these lines back up and plug this back in. We should be straight. Fully installed. Time to bleed the brakes. All right, so I replaced the ABS control module and bled the brakes. There was a code that remained on there, so I thought maybe that didn't fix the problem, but it was a different code. This was a 61-11, and all I did was clear that code, and yeah, it went away. I drove it around over 30 minutes on the highway, on the streets. Code did not pop back on. Usually, well, from what I've heard, they come back on after like going 30 miles per hour. So if you can see here, I'm gonna go into the ABS computer here, and just to show you guys that there's no codes on the control module. Hey. So as you can see, no more codes here. We're good to go. I'm gonna keep on driving and keep on looking out for it, but as of so far, I mean, it looks like a job well done.